Distinguished professor, all scholars, and participants, my name is Ira Luciawati from Universitas Islam Bandung, Indonesia. Will present paper with the title Public Communication Psychology for Sustainable Social Transformation, Conceptual Framework and Implication. Sustainable social transformation cannot be achieved solely through policy and structural reform. It requires in deeper alignment at the psychological and cognitive levels where individual and communities internalize change. Psychological readiness and communication process play a crucial role in shaping how societies respond to change. Without readiness, even well-designed policies may fail to generate meaningful impact. Public communication acts as a mediating mechanism between institutional intention and public behavior. It bridges what institutions aim to achieve and how society perceives and responds to that intention. However, despite its importance, there is still limited integration between psychological perspective and communication studies. This limitation constrains our ability to develop comprehensive appreciation of social transformation processes. Public policies often fail due to low public engagement and weak behavioral alignment. In addition, communication is still mostly one way, which limit participation. Furthermore, psychological aspects are not well integrated into communication strategies. Finally, there is a lack of an integrative framework linking communication and psychology. This study aims to develop an integrative conceptual framework of public communication psychology. This framework is intended to bridge communication and psychological perspective in understanding social transformation. To examine the role of psychological readiness, communication, and public engagement in social transformation. To explain how these factors interact in shaping sustainable social transformation. This study adopts a qualitative conceptual approach focusing on developing theoretical understanding rather than empirical measurement. It is supported by an integrative literature review covering studies from 2018 to 2025, allowing the scientists of recent development across relevant fields. Furthermore, this study applies an interdisciplinary perspective by integrating insight from communication, psychology, and public engagement. Dimension in psychological readiness, which refer to the individual and collective preparedness to accept and respond to social change. Dimension in empathic public communication, which emphasizes understanding public perspective, emotion, and social context. Dimension in collective engagement, which highlight active public participation in communication and social processes. Psychological readiness refers to the preparedness of individuals and communities to accept, interpret, and respond to social change. Empathy public communication emphasizes the importance of understanding public perspective, emotion, and social context in the communication process. Collective engagement highlights active participation and collaboration among the public in social and communication process. Component is cognitive awareness, which relates to how individuals perceive and understand information and social issues. Component is emotional regulation, referring to ability to manage emotion in response to communication and social situation. Component is adaptive attitude, which reflect the willingness to adjust and respond constructively to change. Transparency emphasizes openness and clarity in delivering information. Trust building focuses on establishing credibility and maintaining public confidence. Dialogic communication highlight two-way interaction, allowing mutual understanding between institution and the public. Participation emphasizes the involvement of the public in responding to and contributing to social issues. Collaboration refers to cooperative effort between stakeholders, including institutions and the public. Social responsibility highlights the shared commitment to contribute to social well-being. The findings indicate the social transformation is shaped by both psychological and communicative factors. Communication effectiveness is influenced by audience psychological readiness, which determines how message and interpreted. Empathy plays a critical role in building public trust. Collective engagement contributed to sustainable social transformation as the ultimate outcome. This study integrates communication and psychological perspective in explaining social transformation. It proposes an integrative framework of public communication psychology. It extends public communication theory by incorporating psychological readiness and engagement. For policymakers, this study highlights the importance of empathy public communication in policy implementation. It also suggests incorporating psychological readiness when designing communication strategies. In addition, it is important to promote participatory and inclusive communication processes. Sustainable transformation is a broad concept that can refer to change in various domains such as economic, technological, or organizational system. In this study, I specifically use the term sustainable social transformation to emphasize a change in social behavior, public engagement, and communication processes within society. This keyword reflect the core concept of the study, highlighting the integration of communication, psychology, and public engagement in achieving sustainable social transformation. Thank you for attention.